Hi, this is a demo for colloid turbidity for the ME650 Surface Phenomena course. And within this, we'll observe what's called the Tyndall Effect, which is the scattering of light particles due to colloids in a suspension. And this will form what is called a light bridge. So first off, materials, we have a glass of tap water, a green laser pointer, any color should be fine. We also have an eyedropper and 2% milk, and different kinds of milk should be fine as well. And then we have a white surface which we're going to use to qualitatively see the light scattering. So first off, here's the laser pointer going through tap water, and you can see about how big or how much light gets through. And then next, we're going to add increments of 5 drops of milk. And then we'll stir it with a chopstick because that's what's readily available. And through this experiment, we'll progressively see the light scattering in a different amount. And that's what you can call the light bridge. And with 5 drops, you can see the light that gets through. And we'll take a closer look at this. You can kind of see the milk particles swirling around in the water, and that's what's forming this light bridge. And here you can see it is relatively clearly defined. And next, we'll add 5 more drops of milk and continue the experiment. How the drops fall is actually an interesting fluids phenomena, but we won't get into that for this demo. And so here again, you can see how much light qualitatively is getting through. That drop that forms on, the spot on the cutting board is actually getting a little bit smaller. And adding 5 more drops. You can see the light bridge is getting a little bit more distorted, it's not so clear, and that spot is getting smaller. And obviously the mixture of the milk and the water is getting more cloudy. So skipping further along, we're adding a lot more milk just to progress a little bit faster. And you can no longer see through this, and there you can see obvious scattering, and very little of that laser is getting through the colloid suspension. Okay, and adding maybe about 10 more drops. You can see a lot of scattering. You can see how it lights up the entire volume, and very little light is getting through now. And so, just for the last step, we'll add a few more drops of milk. And at this point, you should see that it is completely scattered, and the light no longer goes through, and so there's nothing on the cutting board or white surface to show for light